everybody, it's RJMTB, and today it's just me. So Riley has come down with a cold, so we have changed plans, and now we will be doing a bike check on my Momsen Jsl 60. Okay guys, so we are in the garden with my Momsen Jsl 90 alloy frame. This bike has the Sector 700mm handlebars that I put on. It has the ESI grips that I also put on. It has the Chayong Hornet tubeless tires. The SR Suntour forks, the XCR 32s. It has the Altus Shimano 24 speed chain set. It has the DMR bikes V12 pedals, that they are not the magnesium ones. They weigh 490 grams. It also has this Pro chainstay protector. It has the Tektro Exuriga hydraulic brakes, and yeah, that is everything that is on my bike. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, stay on two wheels.